Don Dada. Fire can't cool me up on fire.
Original Batman.
It's fake kills.
She give me pon me hard, say she give me pon me hard. Fine girl, I come in on me hard, say she bounce pon the.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this bow unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely stay tuned. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Main Concept. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah divas, without further ado, if you guys want all the details and the specs and my closing thoughts on this unit, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit by Main Concept. So you guys know the name is super long, so we are going to call her City Girl 01 because that is a part of her name. And I have her in the color Bumblebee. So she is just so pretty and I love her professional looking roots, like yes. So here's the cap construction. It is very breathable and it is also very comfortable. It's like on a mesh cap and it's just very breathable. Like I absolutely love this cap. It was so freaking comfortable on my head. And this unit does feature two combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. It also features a lace parting area. It has lace on the perimeter, but the main focus of the lace is in that middle part, and that part is about maybe like 4.5 inches. So here's how the unit looks straight onto my head. As you can see, this unit has those professional looking roots. Now on me, this unit falls maybe at like a 20, maybe a 22 to a 24 inch on me, but yeah, that's how it falls. Now as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience a little bit of tangling as well as I did experience shedding, as this is a lighter color unit, so that is kind of to be expected. But I really did like this unit because it was super easy for me to slay, because all I had to do was cut off the lace and just add powder. I did not have to be glue it down or anything, or go in and pluck the parting area, so that was really good. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish out that, and here is the wig. Like, she slays so easily. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this hair, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So this wig is so beautiful. I love it. I love this color. It is, I don't know how it's coming up on camera, but this unit is like a bright yellow color. So it is very bright yellow, and I absolutely love these type of roots. I feel like they just look so professional. As you guys seen with the new Bobby Boss wig, that's how they did it with the New York roots. I just really love this type of root. Like, I don't know, it just feels so nice, and I actually kind of tried to mimic that with another unit, which you guys will see here very soon. I really do like this hair. Now the texture is really nice, you guys. Like, this texture is amazing. It's like a very slight hint of yaki, and it's silky, and it just feels very nice. The density on this hair is very nice. This unit is not thin at all, but it's not too full either, because this is all the hair to the front. So it is like a very nice density, and I really do like it. For those of you who don't like color, I believe this unit does come in like natural colors. So if you're not here for the color, well, let me make sure. Just want to make sure, because it looks like they're displaying like colors. So let's see if it comes. Okay, yeah, so it does come in a 1 and a 1B as well. So if you guys are like, no girl, I'm not feeling the color, definitely this wig is still worth getting in like the 1 or the 1B, because the texture is just really nice, like I said, and the density is nice. I absolutely love these roots, and just like this wig is overall nice. So yeah, you guys know I live for color. Even though I haven't been doing color as much, I'm trying to venture back into color. I don't know what was wrong with me, because you guys know I love a color. But yeah, so now that you guys have seen like the pros of this, or I've told you guys the pros of this unit, excuse me, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys the cons, which there is very few cons. So the first con that I have is that the unit does shed. Now that's not too big of a con because this unit is a lighter color and it is synthetic, and usually even with human hair wigs, a lighter color, for some reason it sheds. So that was kind of expected, but it was kind of a con for me because the unit is just so perfect. Like, it has a soft texture, it has very minimal tangling, and I was just like, if it just didn't shed, like, it would just be perfect. So yeah, because I like got a strand right here, but I mean, it's not that serious, I guess, because it should be expected because all lighter wigs shed. But you know, that was a con, and I know that can be a con for some people. If you spray some wig control spray and brush it out, it will calm down the shedding, but you know, it does shed, so just be mindful of that. And I think that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, I don't like the fact that they did not put the roots here, so the roots are not in this area. So I just felt like they should have, sorry about that, but anyways, they should have just put like roots in this area as well, because I feel like that would have made it like look a little bit more natural. I mean, you can't see it because it's a middle part, but just like for my personal preference, like I would have preferred for it to have like the little small root on the edges and the perimeter. Even though you can't see it with me and you'll never see it because, you know, my hairline protrudes out, but for someone who may, you know, want to shift the wig or something like that, and you will be able to see that there's no root there. So I would definitely say that some root should have been there. But overall, I do like this unit. I feel like she is very fabulous. She is very photo shoot ready. She is just very ready if you want to go somewhere and you want to catch some eyes, okay? Because she is just very bright, and yeah, I really like her. Once again, the name of this color is GRWM/Bumblebee. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I will definitely have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, definitely give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.